Sorkar Jilla haka khandu tarik mentau benai kalarai bentung dak Judicial Inquiry Halor ke Jingshah Siat ubat cerita fil thank you General Secretary Barim jong seng Hnlc habakran bagi lap thai kubor umiti rang ba ke Jilla ukonat kisang ma ulai thu ba ke Sorkar Jilla kan sasim ya karai hadin bakan da yo shwa ya ka kaipot na ke Judicial Inquiry.
We briefed the cabinet on the different aspects of the events that took place in the last 5 days and discussed also about the police operation that took place on 13th early morning. Details were given to the cabinet ministers and the other officials who were there, and based on all those aspects and also based on suggestions that were given by the cabinet ministers, the cabinet has decided to constitute a judicial inquiry under the Commission of Inquiry Act to look into the events that took place on 13th early morning.